That is absolutely superb. Oh, come on. Oh. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making a super strawberry sweet. Whew, nearly got that wrong. We're making nearly a cheesecake, but it's not a cheesecake. It's better than a cheesecake. It's quick to make. It's less fattening. It's still fattening, but less fattening. We got some fresh strawberries there. We're going to use fresh strawberries. We got some digestive biscuits. We're going to smash up the digestive biscuits, make a base with some butter, and crack on. Blend everything up, chuck it all in there, cool it down, serve it up. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. First job, boil up your kettle, which I've already boiled. And we have some gelatin, well, no, I don't. We have some jelly mix powder. And that is going in there. Now I've got a couple of boxes here, but I think we're only going to use one. So let's get some water in there. And just start to dissolve that up. This is the first job because this has to go cool. You know, I'm going to put both boxes in. I want that full flavour. I don't feel that's going to be strong enough. It probably is, but we're going in with all of this. So let's have it dissolved in there. Oh, that's more like it. Good old stir around. Yeah, that's more like it. Right, we're not adding any sugar to this because these things are normally sweet enough, you know. So we're going to just put that to one side and we're going to take a bag. We're going to get some digestive biscuits and we're going to give them a smashing. Okay, and all we're going to do is give it a little smashing up. You can bang the heck out of it if you want. Up to you. Just give it a little crumbling up. So that only took a minute or so. We smashed it up. We didn't even get the old rolling pin out. Right, we got some melted butter straight in there. And a little bit of a mix up. This really is a quick, fantastic dessert. You know, you've got folks coming round, you can knock this up, 2 hours in the fridge, out it comes, serve it on the table. It's as quick as that. So I think that butter's incorporated in there. Okay, we've got a tin, I've lined it out. It's a springform tin, so we can pop it open afterwards. Right, keep your spoon. But we want to get our biscuit base in there. Start in the middle and let it naturally come towards the outside. And then just smooth it round to the outside, and we want to squash this down. It's got to be compacted. Now you can compact it with anything. A glass, a spoon, the end of a wooden spoon, rolling pin, it doesn't matter. We just have to compact that down in there. Get it in, get it solid. So that's about as smooth as I'm going to get that today. I can't get it any smoother than that. So just put that to one side. That's going to set up just a little bit there whilst this is cooling. And what we need to do is prep some strawberries. These have been washed. And we're going to take a little bowl. I want to put some strawberries around the outside, and then we're going to chuck some on the top. So obviously we've got to take off our stalk. We don't want those stalks, but we do want some half strawberries. So we're just going to gently come through there. Nice and steady, just half up those strawberries and put them in your bowl. Okay, and then this is I'm going to give it a little bit of a touch in here, you know. We're going to actually put the strawberries on the base like that. Just come round the base of your, I don't even know what we're going to call it. We're going to call it nearly a cheesecake. Okay, as you can see, we got this lovely row of strawberries going around the bottom of there. That's going to put like a little ring round. Let's put these strawberries to one side. This is where it becomes so simple. It's a fantastic little sweet to make up. Now we got a blender and we want to be going in there with some whipping cream. I've got about a cup and a half there actually, and there's a little bit left in here. I'll tell you what, let's put it all in. We're going to add our jelly mix to our cream. We're coming on our blender. Now this is not going to turn into whipped cream or anything like that, but it's going to set up with the jelly in there. That'll do it. Right, and all we're doing, we're just tipping that in there. That is our fantastic cheesecake type pudding. We've got to stick that in the fridge now. It's got to go in the fridge for a couple of hours so it all sets up. So let's get that in the fridge. So there we are, straight out of the fridge. That looks fantastic. So all we're going to do is pop it open. Let's get it popped open and taken out. Are we ready for this? Look in there. Oh, that looks something special. That is amazing. I mean, come on. Just look at that beauty. Oh, are you kidding me? Just look at that. Right, we just need to dress it up with a little bit more strawberries on there. We need the strawberries on, obviously it's about the strawberries. So we're gonna just cut through a couple of strawberries to go on there. We need to lay one on there like that. Now obviously these are real strawberries, they're not false strawberries. So we'll have to move them when we come round to cutting the cake. So let's sort of do this. Now that's not a bad guess. That's not a bad guess. And one for me. Now that looks something special. Just look at that. That is such an easy sweet to make. All we got to do now is take a slice. So we need to come in there. We're going to have to move the strawberry. Oh no. It's coming there. Oh, are we ready for this? That is absolutely superb. Oh, come on. That is absolutely amazing. How quick and easy is that to make? Come on, let's give it a try. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, that is amazing. That is really amazing. That's light, it's fluffy, it's creamy, it's got that strawberry flavour through there. You've got that biscuit base. It's superb. Well, that's incredible. Well, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.